Hello, Beanie Baby besties. How are you? Here, come look over here at what I'm looking at. Decades Jingle beanies. Oh, look, this is so weird. I had an extra body from a Beanie Buddy, so I stuck a Beanie Baby in it. The boys were like, what is that? It's a Beanie Baby in a mech suit. These are all the adorable little Jingle beanies we had on the tree. I meant to post some snowmen since we had a snowstorm. Oh, maybe I still will. Here's an angel. I just shared the angel video link with someone today. She's looking for a really specific angel. I'm not sure who. I think she said from 2006. I would have to reread it, but I was pretty sure I didn't have it. But I did make a video on all the angels that I do have. Oh, I'm looking at these and I'm like forgetting who I'm supposed to be looking for. Oh, that's because there isn't one. No, wait. Yes, there would be one. That one. That's who I'm looking for. I'm not seeing it. So yeah, I just took the jingles off the tree. The tree's still up. It's January. What is today? The 18th? I guess I'll have to take the tree down. I like having the Christmas decorations up though. I'm really not seeing it. Maybe it's still up on the tree. Here's a groundhog. I'm trying to buy some more groundhogs to post for Groundhog's Day. Oh, I got the labels on everything. I got patriotic, birds, cats, animals like forest, zoo, farm. I got dogs. I got animals like animals that live in the sea and bugs. These are more Beanie Babies I have to put away somewhere. And then this one's out. I like to keep this one out. This is one of my favorites. It's like just a little smaller than regular and it's super duper duper soft. So this is one of the ones that I like to hold hands with while we watch TV. Okay, and then if you want to see the rest of the way that I stored these labels, I put the Dinos, Dragons, and Unicorns together, Peace and Garcia Bears, Babies, Weddings, Internationals, and then Clubbies. But the Beanie Buddies, I'm going to put them back in the tote with the other Beanie Buddies because they fit better in that big tote. Over here's another custom. This is who we call Flitter Flip. She's a flitter with a flip. I want to position you like you're like a cat, like a real cat. We watched this really cute kittenhood movie this morning. Spencer woke up a little too early, so we watched a little TV, and I wanted it to be something like educational and calming, and kittenhood definitely was. So I'm waiting on a couple more to add to this collection. There's some Christmas ones and angels. I need to buy a new tote box for them. I just have them in a basket right now. I just brought them out of the china cabinet. And then over here, I have, well, these Clubbies that I got out to be with their families. I don't have a teeny of you, but I still have two. Okay, and I think you must be on the tree. There's a princess back there. And then over here is Juggles the Clown, Congo. Actually, I'm not sure what you're doing up here. I think he was part of Fletcher's Jungle Book cast and crew over here. This is the only third generation that I have. This one is one of the ones that I have authenticated. I have the certificate, so I'm getting ready for that video also. This one, I'm waiting for a couple more in the mail so that I can finish out that video series of the original 9 Beanie Babies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cubby's on his way. I accidentally gave him away. That's okay, it was totally worth it. And I can't wait to tell you that story in a future video. that one's just, it's taking so long because it's like a lot of extra editing, and I'm getting better and better at editing every day, but yeah, it still takes a while. And I got other stuff going on too, you know. So, oh, and then the Valentine's Day videos are coming up. I know I have a pretty good one from last year. It was when I really started getting serious about YouTube. And then over here, actually, you can't see them. Never mind. I'll save that for another time. Yeah, I'm just really excited about this Clubby collection coming together. What else is going on in the world of Beanie Babies? My Amazon affiliates was rejected. Like, sometimes I try to post links in the description boxes of Beanie Babies that you can buy, but like the links change so often. Anyways, I didn't have any qualified purchases, so I got rejected. And they say once I have more of a following, I can try again. But posting those links is a task unto itself, which is obviously why I didn't get the clicks for it. I'm just not sure if it would be worth it. Like, I wanted to give it a solid try. I was hoping to give it a solid try before it was rejected. But yeah, I just didn't make the time for posting all those links for what seemed like was going to be for pennies. Did I show you the rest of my labeling system? I don't think I have. It's the Sherberts and the signatures. Primates. That video is pretty old now. I might have more to add. Zodiacs. Ooh, yes, I can't wait to do that. Video, I think the Chinese New Year is February, so that's coming up pretty quick. Decades and the birthday bears. I just did that reel of the birthday bears, the decade bears. I did, but then I added 2 more. And the other birthdays, there's a couple birthday hat bears that I don't have. There's the pot belly ruffle neck. And then, wait, where am I pointing my phone? Pot belly ruffle neck birthday bear. And then there's also the birthday hat birthday bears. And with those, I'm missing a couple months. March, April, and May, I think. And then down here, I don't know enough about yet to talk about. So this one's going to be later. Later. I have some research to do before we get to those. Same with international. I don't know enough about these guys to talk about them yet, but I have a whole drawer full of them, and I think there's going to be a lot of stories about them. A lot of them have flags. We can add like a whole flag element, like an educational history lesson about like locations and what the places are known for. New York history and facts when we talk about that guy. So those are just some thoughts that I have for future videos I'm pretty excited about. And then the Clubbies. I think I'm done with the Clubbies for a while now. After this video, I could just go ahead and put them away. That sounded